Alright, so... Woo-wee! Alright, guys. Today took a turn of events. It's a great fucking day! We got some news today. Well, the Demon Crate got delivered. You'll see that video before this. And I just got a call from the dealership that my car is ready. So what we ended up doing was we decided to go with an OEM trans from Dodge, brand new OEM, auto 8-speed. I didn't want to spend the money for the Paramount, and I didn't really have that much to spend for the Paramount. We got a really good deal from Dodge on it. Shout out to Brandon and his wife for working with us. They are absolutely amazing.
Yeah, you guys need to go and buy from them, and that way it would thank them a lot.
Like, if you don't buy from Texas Dodge, F you. But make sure you always hit up Texas Dodge for anything you need. Hit up Brandon Burke or his wife.
Yep.
If you need service, she's the service manager over there. She's absolutely awesome. Kathy is awesome.
Yeah, if you have any troubles, like warranty issues, go to her.
Yep. So they got me a really good deal on the transmission. So shout out to everybody. We're gonna come up with what we're doing for you guys, but shout out to everyone that donated. That's freaking awesome. We were able to get a brand new OEM transmission. We had to put our own money. I mean, I put my own money in, obviously, but we're able. You guys raised like $2,400, which is insane. You guys never had to do that. We didn't even ask you guys to do that. You guys wanted to do it for us, for me, which says a lot about the car community and how strong the Mopar gang is. So we're on the way to the dealership. We're gonna go pick up Sneaky Cat, and we're gonna fuck some shit up. Alright guys, this is Texas Dodge. Remember, once again, if you need a Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, Fiat, even other brands they can actually hook up with other dealers, and I swear they will get you the best deal possible. Where is Sneaky Cat? Where is the Sneaky Cat? We don't know. She said it's really dirty, which I don't care because Travis McNutt's in town. We need to locate the Sneaky Cat. Maybe it's around the other side?
Probably.
Look at that yellow Charger's cool. Texas Dodge, people. Texas Dodge. This is insane, guys. This is... Oh my god, I love this car so fucking much. Oh, this is crazy. If the filming is shaky, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I wanted to cry when they told me my car was ready. You guys have no idea how it felt when this car broke down. So sorry for the horrible footage, but I just wanted to take you guys with me on the road to get my car, and I can't thank you guys enough. I can't thank Texas Dodge enough, and thank you guys for always supporting. We've got something huge planned for you guys, and I'm just gonna end the video here. I'm gonna take it easy on the car for like the first 500 to 1,000 miles. Just take it easy, and then we'll get some logging in with Tim, make sure the car is running in top shape. I've talked to Tim about flying him out here actually, and he's down to do that as well. So we're there's this dude right here. He's a cool guy. His name's Oscar, really cool guy. He came up, he saw us driving to Texas Dodge, so he wanted to say hi. So what's up, Oscar? This is just crazy though. I can't even believe I'm driving this car already. It's only been, I think, like 2.5 weeks, and I just didn't think I'd be back in the car so soon. It amazes me, the people that I'm surrounded. And there goes the Demon. Woo! But yeah. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat at VanV39. Make sure if you need a vehicle, you hit up Texas Dodge. And for those of you that donated, we got something really special planned for you guys. It's gonna take a little bit of time because there's a lot put into it, but and we're real busy. But man, can't thank you guys enough. Thank you guys for always supporting. I know my channel is a small channel, but you guys mean a lot to me, and we're out. Sneaky Cat is back.